Assalamualaikum. Hello friends, my name is Akifa Naila. I am from 9th grade A. Today I want to make dragon fruit juice. This is the ingredients and stuff. Let's mix it. 1. Cut dragon fruit. Put dragon fruit, water, and milk into a blender. Blend for 3 minutes. Open blender. After that, put the juice into the glass. Juice is done. Bye-bye.